Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining the session today. So this is our fifth One Connect webinar that we'll be hosting. And today we're going to be looking at NetSuite SuiteAnalytics and having a deep dive into that. So just to introduce myself quickly, my name is Emma. I'm one of the key account managers at Bluebridge One. And today the session is going to be hosted by Jacques, who is one of our senior consultants working in the customer success team. So before we kick off, just to give you a quick overview of the agenda today. So we're going to be looking at SuiteAnalytics and the key features. And then we're going to have a look at SuiteAnalytics versus saved searches. And then I'm going to take you through just some information around the SuiteAnalytics training that we offer at Bluebridge One. So before we start the session today, I just want you to take a few moments to read our safe harbor statement, please. So before we start talking about SuiteAnalytics, and I'll hand over to Jacques, I just want to take a moment to talk about the Bluebridge One Centre of Excellence team. So you may have heard me mention this before on previous webinars, but it's something that we're really proud of. It's a team of our lead consultants who are dedicated to specialist areas within NetSuite. And the purpose of this team is really to build and to share knowledge and really to create innovation in their dedicated areas, and therefore allowing us to bring more complete solutions to our customers. So just a brief introduction to SuiteAnalytics. I'm sure some of you are familiar with it already, potentially already using it. Some of you, this might be the first time that you're getting an overview of SuiteAnalytics, but this is NetSuite's own business intelligence tool. The purpose really for the session today is to learn what SuiteAnalytics is and how you can access this and use this to really transform your NetSuite data analysis. Hopefully, you'll be able, by understanding the benefits of SuiteAnalytics, then you can understand how to really use that data to make informed business decisions across all user levels. And one of the things we're going to look at as well, and I mentioned in the agenda, is around how SuiteAnalytics really surpasses saved searches for that deeper insight and easier reporting. Right, so enough from me. I'm now going to hand over to Jacques to go through the rest of the session. Thank you.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. Yes, we thought it'd be a good idea to get started and tell you about saved searches versus SuiteAnalytics. It's basically just to let you know where to use which option, and it's a good starting point. Right, in terms of SuiteAnalytics, you would use them when you need interactive reports and dashboards, when you want to analyze multiple record types easily, when you require data visualization like pivot tables and charts, when you need real-time dynamic filtering and drill down analysis. On the other hand, saved searches are still awesome. They're still very good, and I still use them every day, but they also have their purpose. So basically, you would need a saved search when you need the simple tabular data exports, when you are running quick one-off queries, and when you want to trigger alerts, emails, notifications, or automated workflows based on search results. NetSuite SuiteAnalytics is an advanced business intelligence, BI, and reporting tool that allows users to create interactive workbooks, visual dashboards, and analytical reports within the NetSuite environment. Unlike traditional saved searches, SuiteAnalytics provides more powerful data visualization, pivot tables, charting, drill down capabilities, drag and drop features, making it far superior option for complex reporting and decision making. We'll start off with the SuiteAnalytics workbook and what that can do. As you can see, there's quite a few options. Workbooks enables the interactive data analysis, drag and drop interface, as I mentioned, or pivot tables, charts, filters. You have real-time insight, live data updating for tracking key metrics instantly. custom dashboards, pre-built and customizable dashboard for finance, sales, and all other operations. No SQL whiz required to do so. You can build reports without scripting or complex queries. The nicest feature is the advanced data relationships, where you can seamlessly join multiple data sets. We'll discuss that in a little bit more detail further on. These are just basic examples. The workbook example on the left is a simple pivot table. It's user-friendly. Design allows you to easily drag and drop fields into rows, columns, measures, making data visualization effortless. On the right, you have a typical data set, and it's based on a transaction data table. You can seamlessly add additional data tables, apply formulas, use filters, provides greater flexibility and ease of access for analyzing your data. Okay, now we get to real-time data analysis. Let's consider the benefits. Real-time data updates, ensuring the user always work with the most current business information. That's really important. This eliminates delays, delayed decisions caused by manual data exports, remove the need for third-party BI tools or spreadsheets. No more Excel for further analysis. With instant access to live data, business can respond to changes proactively and efficiently. The key benefits of real-time data analysis is instant decision-making. You have access here to real data, and it enables users to make faster, more informed, and more efficient decisions without waiting for a scheduled report or manual updates. It eliminates data silos. No need to export data to Excel or even external BI tools, reducing the risk of outdated and inconsistent data. Live monitoring of KPIs. Track key metrics like sales performance, inventory levels, revenue trends, customer interactions as they update in real time. Improved operational efficiency. It identifies and resolves bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and discrepancies as they occur rather than after the fact. And lastly, dynamic reporting and dashboards. Reports and dashboards automatically update the latest data, eliminating the need for manual refreshes and report regeneration. This chart features featuring in the SuiteAnalytics workbook, allow users to visually analyze data using interactive and customizable visualizations. It helps transform data into meaningful insight through various chart types, enhancing decision-making. Key features here: multiple chart types. It supports bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter plots, and more. Once again, drag and drop customization, easily add and adjust dimensions, measures, filters, real-time data updates. The charts reflects the most up-to-date data, eliminating the need for manual exports. Interactive drill downs. Click on chart elements to explore underlying data in more detail. And then lastly, dashboard integration. It embeds charts into SuiteAnalytics dashboards for a comprehensive view. Pre-built and customizable dashboards. SuiteAnalytics dashboards provide a centralized real-time view of key business metrics, allowing users to track performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions. These dashboards can be custom built or use pre-built templates designed for specific business functions. Key features here are custom dashboards. Users can create personalized dashboards by adding interactive charts, KPIs, reports, safe searches to track relevant metrics. Pre-built templates. NetSuite offers ready-made dashboards for finance, sales, operations, enabling quick setup and easy access to critical insight. Real-time data updates. Dashboards automatically update with the latest data, eliminating the need for manual refreshing reports. Drill-down functionality. Users can click on data points within widgets to access underlying transactional details. Role-based views. Dashboards can be tailored to different user roles, ensuring relevant insight for executive sales teams, finance managers, and operational staff. This is an example of a NetSuite dashboard designed to provide comprehensive real-time overview of key business metrics. It includes KPI meters. KPI meters visualize has visual indicators displaying critical performance metrics such as revenue, profit margins, order fulfillment rates, helping users track progress against goals at a glance. Navigational shortcuts, quick access links to frequently used for reports, transactions, improved workflow efficiencies, and reducing navigational time. Quota versus actual comparative data. It's a side-by-side comparison of targets versus actual performance, enabling users to monitor progress, identify gaps, and make informed decisions based on real-time insight. This type of dashboard enhances productivity by consolidating essential business data into an interactive, user-friendly interface, allowing users to take quick and informed actions. All right, better user interface and experience. This provides a modern, intuitive interface that simplifies data analysis and reporting. Unlike traditional safe searches, which requires predefined criteria and rigid structures, SuiteAnalytics offers a drag-and-drop report builder, making it easier for users to explore and analyze data dynamically. Key advantages here are it's very user-friendly, the drag-and-drop feature. Users can create reports by simple dragging and dropping of fields into rows, columns, measures without needing any technical expertise. As I mentioned before, no SQL training necessary or scripting required. Unlike traditional reporting tools, SuiteAnalytics eliminate the need for SQL queries, SuiteScript, making data analysis accessible to non-technical users. Real-time customizations. Users can perform modify reports on the fly by adding, removing, or reordering fields without having to start from scratch. Interactive filtering and sorting. Reports can be refined using dynamic filtering, grouping, sorting options, allowing a deeper insight within complex configurations. Instant data visualization. Reports can be converted into pivot tables, charts, and graphs within the same interface, enabling quick trend analysis. And then lastly, drill down capabilities. Users can click on data points within the report to access transaction level details, enhancing transparency and accuracy. Typical use case of a pivot table here in terms of finance teams. They can quickly create custom financial reports by selecting revenue, expenses, cash flow fields without relying on IT. Sales teams can analyze pipeline performance, customer orders, sales trends with real-time filtering. Operational teams can track inventory movement, supply performance, and order fulfillment by adding or removing key fields dynamically. Executives, managers can create high-level dashboards with KPIs and drill into specific data points for easier insight. Right, this is just a typical example of a chart. The next part I wanted to get to is relationships and joins, which is truly a key feature for SuiteAnalytics. It's very powerful data connectivity, allowing users to pull data from multiple record types within the rigid constraints of traditional safe searches. With dynamic table connections, users can seamlessly combine the data for customers, invoices, payments, transactions, and other related records into a single report or data set. Key advantages here are dynamic table joins. Unlike safe searches, which require manual joins and linked records, SuiteAnalytics automatically connects related data tables, making reporting much easier. Multi-record data analysis. Users can extract and analyze data from multiple sources, like, for instance, sales, finance, inventory, without needing separate reports. There's functional reporting. You can combine records across departments, business processes, ensuring a holistic view of the company's performance. Reduce complexity, no need for custom scripting or complex formulas to link data. Relationships are built in and easy to use. Drill down functionalities, users can start with high-level summary data and drill down into transaction-level details for much deeper insight. The Connect Data Sets feature in SuiteAnalytics workbook allow users to create comprehensive reports by combining multiple data sets with a single workbook. This functionality enables users to seamlessly link different types of data from various reports. Customers, for instance, with invoices, with sales, payments, and so on, into one cohesive view, breaking down data silos and simplifying complex reporting. Key features here are seamless data integration. Users can combine data sets from different record types, such as transactions, customers, inventory, items, financials, to create unified reports. Dynamic data relationships. Unlike traditional safe searches that require static joins between records, SuiteAnalytics dynamically connects data sets based on the relationship between them. For example, linking invoices to payments or sales orders to customers. Real-time data. All connected data sets are updated in real time, meaning users can always have access to the most current data across all linked data sets. Then advanced reporting capabilities. Users can combine data from multiple sources, applying filters, calculated fields, customize the reports, enabling more complex analysis than what would be possible with separate safe searches. There is no need for custom scripting. Connecting data sets in SuiteAnalytics require no complex scripting or SQL knowledge. Users can visually set up connections using an intuitive drag and drop interface. And then lastly, interactive dashboards and reports. Once data sets are connected, users can then create interactive reports and dashboards with dynamic filtering and drill down capabilities. Some use cases here. Accounts receivables team. Instead of running separate safe searches for invoices and payments, a single workbook can combine them to analyze outstanding balances and collection trends. Sales and finance teams can link customers, sales orders, revenue recognition records to track real-time order to cash performance. The inventory and operational teams can connect item, inventory, and purchase order records to monitor stock levels and supplier performance. Executive reporting. Business leaders can generate a single report showing revenue, expenses, profitability, and cash flow across subsidiaries. Automatic lookups and joins is a powerful feature in SuiteAnalytics that simplifies the process of creating comprehensive data sets and reports by automatically linking related reports and fields. This functionality eliminates the needs for manual joins and complex reporting, enabling users to build reports with minimal effort while ensuring accurate data relationships. Key features of automatic lookup and joins are automatic field relationships. When selecting fields from a different record type in the data set, for example, invoices, customer sales orders, SuiteAnalytics automatically detects the relationship between fields and links them correctly. For instance, if you select a customer field in a sales report, SuiteAnalytics will automatically link it to the corresponding customer data from the customer record data set. Dynamic joins. Unlike traditional reporting methods that require manual joins between tables, for instance, using SQL scripting, SuiteAnalytics dramatically establishes connections based on predefined relationship between records. This ensures all relevant data points from linked records are pulled together in the report. No need for scripting or SQL knowledge. Users don't need to write a complex SQL query to create custom scripts or create custom scripts to join data. The automatic lookup function handles this task behind the scenes, making it more user-friendly and accessible for non-technical users. Real-time data. As the relationship between data sets are automatically updated, the data with the report is always up to date and the most recent changes in the system. Customizable joins. While NetSuite handles automatic joins, users still have an option to fine-tune or adjust joins for more advanced use cases, giving them flexibility while maintaining ease of use. Custom table joins with linked fields in SuiteAnalytics workbooks provide users with the ability to create personalized relationships between tables that may not be automatically linked by default. This feature gives users more control over how data is connected and allows them to generate complex, customized reports by linking specific fields across different record types. Key features of this feature includes manual joins between tables, which means users can manually define custom joins between tables, even if SuiteAnalytics does not automatically recognize relationships. For example, if two record types like customers and invoices are related by a custom field but aren't automatically linked, users can then make a manual link from them based on selecting the appropriate fields. Link fields across different record types. Now, users can choose fields that establish relationships between two different record types, allowing for advanced cross-record analysis. This flexibility enables users to build more complex reports that require linking unrelated or custom fields. Custom relationship definition. The ability to define custom relationships between fields means users can tailor how data sets are connected without being limited to predefined relationships or automatic joins. This provides a higher level of data integrity and precision in report generation. Advanced flexibility for complex reports. By using custom joins, users can generate reports that combine data from various sources. For instance, linking invoices to payments, sales orders to customer preferences in ways that weren't available through defining or default automatic joins. Improved data accuracy. Custom joins allow users to control how data is connected, using that only relevant data or ensuring that only relevant data is included in the report and reducing the chances of incorrect or incomplete data being pulled. A few more examples, use cases. As you can see, the data linking steps. For instance, sales to collections. A user can manually create a custom join between sales orders and payments using a custom field that is linked in the two separate data sets. For instance, customer payment reference. This allows users to analyze sales and collections in a single report, even if SuiteAnalytics does not automatically recognize relationships. Next example, as in customer performance, if there is a custom field linking sales orders to customer feedback, users can create a custom join between these two tables to report on sales performance alongside customer satisfaction in a combined view. Thirdly, inventory management. In scenarios where inventory items are related to purchase orders by a custom field, like, for instance, a warehouse ID or a specific code, users can create custom join to analyze inventory levels alongside purchase orders data in a single report. And then lastly, financial reporting. Users can link revenue data with custom expenses by using a custom field in that two connecting sets. This enables data profitability analysis based on customized relationships. And there's still more to come. Advanced filtering calculations, even for the non-technically inclined. In SuiteAnalytics, there are essential features that empower users to refine their reports and perform complex analysis. These capabilities ensures users to apply detailed filters to their data sets and create custom calculations, allowing for more precise reporting and insightful decision-making. Key features here are custom filters. Users can apply filters based on a wide variety of criteria, like specific fields, ranges, or values. This allows users to focus on relevant data and exclude irrelevant records, improving the accuracy and usability of reports. Multi-field filtering. SuiteAnalytics supports filters across multiple fields, thus allowing users to create complex filter conditions. This feature ensures users can drill down into specific subsets of data without relying on simple pre-built filters. Dynamic filtering. Filters can be applied dynamically, meaning they can be modified or updated on the fly based on the user's needs. This flexibility makes it easier to adapt reports and dashboards as business requirements change. Saved filters. For repeated use, users can save custom filters, enabling them to reapply them to new reports and data sets without having to set them up each time. Key features for advanced calculations in SuiteAnalytics are custom calculated fields. SuiteAnalytics allow users to create calculated fields based on existing data within the data set. These fields can perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, and can also include complex functions like averages, sums, or percentages. Conditional logic, users can apply if statements or other logical functions within calculated fields to create customized outputs based on specific conditions. For instance, calculating a discount based on a certain criteria or adjusting totals based on product category. Aggregations and summary calculations. SuiteAnalytics supports aggregate functions, for instance, sum, average, count, that allow users to summarize large data sets and derive meaningful insight from totals and averages. Cross-record calculations. Users can create calculations that involve data from multiple records or tables, combining them in meaningful ways to analyze things like profit margins, sales, growth, or inventory turnover. Lastly, data-based calculations. Users can create calculations based on time periods, such as year-over-year growth, monthly comparison, period-to-date analysis. A few examples or use cases. Sales reporting, as an example, a sales manager can apply advanced filters to focus on specific regions, products, sales teams. Then they can create a calculated field that shows sales performance as a percentage of targets, or use aggregations to calculate total revenue and average deal size. Another example would be financial analysis. A CFO can use advanced filtering to isolate financial transactions within certain date ranges or departments. They can then create calculations that aggregate revenue, expenses, or profit margins, and can further apply filters to focus on specific cost centers or revenue streams. Another example could be customer analysis. A business analyst can filter customer data based on region or products purchased and create custom calculations to determine customer lifetime value. or average order value. And then lastly, inventory management. A warehouse manager can, for instance, use filters to segment inventory by stock level or location, or create calculations to determine inventory turnover rates, restocking needs, or even total product costs. Yes, so it's quite a big question, how SuiteAnalytics is better than Safe Searches. Well, if you haven't heard it by now, let me reiterate. SuiteAnalytics is a powerful tool that significantly enhances data analysis and reporting capabilities within NetSuite. While Safe Searches have traditionally been used to extract and filter data, SuiteAnalytics offer a range of advanced features that provide users with greater flexibility, functionality, and user experience. It elevates the capability of NetSuite reporting by offering dynamic, interactive reports with the ability to perform complex calculations, connect multiple data sources, and provide real-time insights. It is designed to be user-friendly and highly customizable, eliminating the need for technical expertise in creating sophisticated reports. Safe Searches, while useful for basic reporting, lack the flexibility, it lacks the power, and it lacks the visualization tools that SuiteAnalytics provide, making SuiteAnalytics the preferred choice for businesses looking to maximize their reporting and data analysis capabilities within NetSuite. Key advantages in terms of visualization and pivot tables. SuiteAnalytics enables visualization. Unlike Safe Searches, which only produce tabular results, workbooks offer charts, pivot tables, multi-record types analysis. Workbooks allow users to pull in and relate multiple records without scripting. Safe Searches often require complex joins. More powerful filtering and grouping. Workbooks allow real-time filtering, sorting, grouping, even after a report has been generated, while Safe Searches are static and require reloading to modify filters. There's no need for external BI tools with built-in analytics. Businesses avoid the cost and complexity of exporting data to external tools like BI or Tableau. SuiteAnalytics is embedded in NetSuite, ensuring data consistency, speed, and security. In SuiteAnalytics, the pivot tables, charts, grouping, sorting capabilities allow users to analyze and visualize data in a way that is both dynamic and interactive. These features empower users to slice, dice, summarize their data to uncover meaningful insight and making data-driven decisions. Once again, key advantages of analytics over Safe Searches: enhanced performance and speed. SuiteAnalytics runs on optimized queries and caching, improving report load times. Safe Searches can be slow, especially when dealing with large data sets. In terms of drill down capabilities, users can explore data trends interactively, drilling down into specific transactions or records, while Safe Searches requires separate searches to analyze deeper insights. And then lastly, data security and access. SuiteAnalytics reports respects NetSuite role-based permissions, ensuring users only see data they are authorized to access. Safe Searches may require additional role configurations for proper data access control. Finally, SuiteAnalytics is more powerful. Again, it's user-friendly, it's interactive alternative to Safe Searches. While Safe Searches still have their place for quick queries and automations, workbooks and datasets provide more efficient way to analyze and visualize data without the need for external tools or complex scripting. Okay, so I was thinking of also going through a couple of use cases and real life examples. We'll start with the first one. The scenario would be a sales manager wants to track monthly sales. top customer sales rep performance without manually pulling data from multiple safe searches. So you start off by creating a data set, and your source would be transactions, customers, and employees. Typical fields would include invoice date, sales rep name, customer name, sales amount, product category to begin with. And then what you can do with that data source is, for instance, in terms of workbooks, you can create a first pivot table showing total sales by class. The second pivot table breaks down sales per sales rep. You can create a chart, a bar graph for top 10 customers by revenue. You can create additional filters using date range, sales rep, or customer. In terms of your dashboard, you can create a line graph. You can track total sales trends over time. Shows top performing sales reps, a pie chart breaking down sales by product category. Why do you think this is brilliant? The sales manager sees live performance trends without manual effort. There is no need to run multiple safe searches. It updates in real time as new sales are recorded. Second example, setting the scenario would be the CFO wanting to track revenue, outstanding invoices, cash flow trends without reporting data to Excel. Your data source would be transactions, namely invoices, payments, and also accounts. Basic fields included are invoice date, payment status, amounts, customer name. Then what you can make from this data source would be workbooks, pivot table 1, for instance. You can group outstanding invoices by age, buckets, 30 days, 60 days, plus. Pivot table 2 can track total cash flow versus outflow by month. Charts, you can create a bar graph showing top overdue accounts. For visual effects, you can create a gauge chart showing percentage of invoices overdue. You can create a table listing the highest outstanding balance by customer. You can create a cash flow line chart plotting income versus expenses. Why do you think this is brilliant? The CFO sees cash flow risks in real time and can follow up with overdue customers. The aging reports updates automatically, thus eliminating manual reports. Okay, last example, setting the scenario would be the inventory manager wanting to track stock levels, identify slow-moving items, and to prevent stockouts. Dataset source used would be item records and inventory transactions. Basic fields, item name, current stock quantity, reorder point, and number of sales in the last 30 days. Right, what that data set can give you in terms of workbooks, pivot table 1, you list items below reorder point. Pivot table 2 can show or highlight slow moving stock, low sales in 30 days, for instance. You can have a chart, a line graph tracking stock levels over time. In terms of your dashboard, you can create a red alert section showing items that need urgent restocking. You can create a bar graph comparing stock on hand versus sales trends. And then lastly, you can create a pie chart showing sales by item. Why do you think this is brilliant? The inventory manager avoids stockouts by reordering at the right time. There is no need to run multiple reports. Again, everything is on one screen. I'll leave this slide on for a small bit, just to go over why SuiteAnalytics is, in fact, a game changer. The biggest point of all, there is no need to export to Excel. I know everyone really enjoys Excel or always fall back to it, but there is definitely no need. Everything is real-time and it's interactive. No complex formulas or SQL required. Non-technical users can build reports and create really great visual reporting tools. Fast decision-making. Manager sees trends at a glance without running safe searches. It's customizable, it's interactive, users can filter, group, drill down into data dynamically. Lastly, key takeaways. Effortless deep dives. You can explore data dynamically in real-time, filtering, drill downs, and visualizations to uncover hidden insights. Visual storytelling, transforming data into compelling narratives with interactive charts, pivot tables, and customizable dashboards. Unified data view, you can connect and analyze data from multiple sources effortlessly with automatic table joins and relationships. Empowering every user, you can build reports, dashboards without coding using the intuitive drag and drop interface, making analytics accessible to all and super easy. Real-time insight, you can monitor business performance with live dashboards and stay ahead of potential issues with up-to-the-minute data. Fuel strategic decisions, drive confident decision-making with advanced filtering, calculations, trend analysis, and forecasting capabilities. That's it for me. I've talked quite a bit. Thanks everyone for listening. I appreciate it.
Hello, thank you. Yeah, cheers, Jacques. I think we've obviously given you a lot of information there, and hopefully you can really see that SuiteAnalytics is a really powerful tool that hopefully some of you are already using. But one of the things that we hear quite regularly from customers, we get quite a lot of feedback, and we've worked internally as a team to put together a SuiteAnalytics training course that I just want to give you a little bit of information about now while I've still got your attention. So one of the things, just to highlight a few pain points that customers kind of come to me with, one of the things is the lack of confidence in visualizing data and really being able to gain that kind of insight. Another issue that I have customers come to is that with me is the data inconsistency as well, and the inability to really identify reasons behind particular business events. And I think based off that feedback, we went away and put together this SuiteAnalytics training course. But just to highlight kind of the areas that we would cover within the training course, it's got 4 comprehensive modules looking at SuiteAnalytics workbook, data sets, visualization, and formulas. One of the things that we make sure that there are hands-on exercises using demo data. These sessions are all run by one of our Bluebridge One consultants who have expertise in this particular area. And really the purpose is to teach end users the skills to create the data sets, to define the filter criteria, summarize data, and then be able to visualize that data as well. So we've found that it's been well received with the customers that have done the training course. So if this is something that you would maybe consider, or you're seeing some of these challenges within your team, please feel free to reach out to myself or Esther if she's your account manager, and we can give you a little bit more information on that training course. We found it's been really, really helpful. Yeah, so as before we close out today, obviously I've got my contact details there on the screen if you need anything from me, or if Esther is looking after you, then please reach out to her. If you've got any questions off the back of today's session, whether that's around the training course, if you're currently using SuiteAnalytics and you've just got some questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And before we finish off the session today, I just want to highlight the next webinars. So I've just got those up on the screen there. So in March, we'll be looking at the 2025.1 release and going over the key features and enhancements and some things to look out for there in the new release. And then we're going to be doing a 2-parter kind of over April and May. So that's going to be looking at NetSuite CRM and really unlocking the power of NetSuite CRM, and then more of a focus session around optimizing sales and customer service. So thank you very much for joining this afternoon. I hope you found the session useful. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.